Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll be showing you how to install Android Studio on a Windows PC. It's simple, and I'll guide you through every step. Let's get started. First, you need to visit the official Android developer website to download Android Studio. Don't worry, the link is in the description below. Once you're on the site, click on the Download Android Studio button. Now, you might see the word Meerkat. Don't worry, this is just the name of the new version of Android Studio. Click on it. A window will pop up with the terms and conditions. Go ahead and scroll down, check the box to accept them, and then click Download. Once the download is complete, open the Android Studio setup file. You'll see a small window that says Setup is loading. After that, another pop-up will appear saying Android Studio Setup. Click Next on that window. Then click Next again, and for the installation location, click Next one more time. Finally, hit Install to start the process. This might take a few minutes. Once it's done, click Next, and then Finish. Now open Android Studio. A small window will appear asking whether you want to send usage statistics to Google. If you're okay with that, click Send. Or if you prefer not to, choose Don't Send. It's totally up to you. I'll go with Don't Send. Next, a welcome window will show up. Click Next. Under Install Type, choose Standard, and then hit Next again. Android Studio will now begin downloading the Android emulator, so go ahead and click Finish. You'll see that the download process begins for the required components. This will take just a few minutes. Once it's done, click Finish. Now you're ready to start a new project. Click New Project to create one. You'll find templates for various devices, including phones, tablets, smartwatches, Android TVs, and even automotive for cars. For now, choose phone or tablet, pick a basic template, and click Next. Here, you can name your project anything you like. You can also choose the minimum Android version for your app. Once you've set everything up, click Finish. Now, Android Studio will start downloading the required files and platform components. Once that's complete, click Finish. Wait for a moment while the full interface loads up. Once it does, congratulations. You're ready to start coding your very own Android app. And that's it. You've successfully installed Android Studio and created your first project. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. If you ran into any problems, drop a comment below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.